The opposition Trinamool Congress demanded an independent probe into the killing of Cheristerfield Thangkhiew, the former leader of the banned Thangkhiew National Liberation Council. Dr. Mukul Sangma said that there are multiple agencies like NIA and the CBI that can perform an independent inquiry. The demand for an independent probe by the National Investigation Agency or the Central Bureau of Investigation comes after the Meghalaya government placed the report of the one-man commission of inquiry by retired Judge T. Vaipai on the first day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Assembly. The report stated that the former militant leader was killed in a reckless operation using excessive force by the police.
All the necessary action as per law is taken by the government to ensure justice, because any instance where a justice is perceived to have been denied is something which creates a situation generating lack of confidence and trust on the authorities, which doesn't augur well for our democracy. Therefore, government must ensure that there is no space, no room from any corner to feel that justice has not been done.
The United Democratic Party